Imagine a civilization so advanced that it rivaled the Egyptians and Mesopotamians, a civilization that thrived over 4,000 years ago in the fertile plains of South Asia. Welcome to the story of the Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappa Civilization, the first urban marvel of human history. Let's get started. First, let's talk about discovery and its origin. How it started. It all started in 1921 when Dayaram Sahani he discovered the site of Harappa, which is located modern day in Pakistan. But the real breakthrough came when Sir John Herbert Marshall he coined the term Indus Valley Civilization, and it also led the excavation of its most prominent cities like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Dholavira. And don't get confused with the site Mehergarh, which belongs to Neolithic age. And it also showed the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication and also helps to provide the insights of Indus Valley civilization. Now, let's talk about the urban planning and architecture of Indus Valley civilization. The cities of the Indus Valley civilizations were like architectural masterpieces. Imagine fortified cities, meticulously planned grid like streets, and an advanced drainage system that could rival modern cities. This civilization was also agriculturally rich. People used to crop like wheat, barley, peas, sesame, and mustard, while also domesticating animals like cattle, sheep, goats, and buffalo, and also found the instances of Indian rhino. Let's talk about the key sites. Now, first, Mohenjo-daro, which is located on the river Indus and famous for great bath. It's also a symbol of sophisticated water management. Here we found the bronze dancing girl, which is like a also mysterious Pashupati seal, and which depicts Lord Shiva, which is surrounded by animals. Next site is Lothal. It is located in Gujarat, also known as City of Ports. It is thriving center of trade. Fire altars were also revealed, terracotta horse, and even husk of rice, which like earliest evidence of rice in South Asia. Next site is Kalibanga. Archaeologists found camel bones and the world's oldest plough field, which provides advanced farming techniques. Next site is Dholavira, which stands out for its water conservation system. Next, Rakhi Gari, which is located in Haryana, and it is the largest non-Indus Valley site. Now let's talk about language, religion, and culture. The Indus script, which remains an enigma. It's more of like a pictographic with short inscriptions, leaving much of their language a mystery. In terms of religion, they worship the mother goddess and nature like trees, animals, and even birds like pigeon. The Pashupati seal shows a proto-Shiva figure surrounded by rhino, tigers, and buffalo, hinting at their spiritual beliefs. Burial practices also found, like at Lothal, archaeologists discovered male and female skeleton buried together, which raising question about their rituals and customs. So, what were the reasons behind decline of this legacy? What caused the decline of this magnificent civilization? Scholars suggest a mix of factors like climate change, shifting rivers, and perhaps invasion. The Indus Valley civilization wasn't just a civilization, it was a phenomenon. From urban planning to artistry, it laid foundation for modern society. As we continue to unearth its secrets, one thing is clear, their legacy will never be forgotten. So, what do you think? What mysteries of the Indus Valley civilization fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into history. Thank you.